Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna fish. First, you'll need 1 can of tuna, some mayonnaise, and a bit of relish. Grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, whether it's white, wheat, or sourdough. Also, make sure you have a small bowl and a fork handy for mixing everything together. These simple ingredients are all you need to start. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully drain all the liquid from your can of tuna. This step is crucial for a good texture. Next, add 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise to the drained tuna. Then, for that perfect balance of sweetness and tang, stir in 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Mix these ingredients well until they are fully combined. Continue mixing until your tuna, mayonnaise, and relish are perfectly blended into a creamy, consistent spread. Now, it's time to season. Add a small pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Give it one final stir. Then, take 1 slice of your bread and spread the delicious tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top to complete your perfect tuna fish sandwich. You can serve it immediately, perhaps with a side of chips or a pickle. For an extra layer of texture and freshness, consider adding a crisp lettuce leaf or a slice of ripe tomato. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.